Hi, Professor Goldnick. Thank you for the opportunity to doing this presentation today. At last minute, thank you again. The article I choose for this presentation is titled "Future of Work, Robotic Process Automation and its Role in Shaping Tomorrow Business Landscape" by Bardwaj Jabab, Kaur, and that. These all scholars from different universities across India. They all major in computer science and IT systems, I think, yeah. The reason I choose this article is because I think it directly relates to my major, industrial engineering, because I think industrial engineering is all about increasing efficiency and also reducing waste. Traditionally, this has applied to manufacturing and logistics, and these two go by hand with RPA, or robotic process automation. In today's digital world, our systems also include software that can work like humans. This is called RPA. What I found interesting about the authors is that they don't just talk about robotic process and how this can save money for businesses by doing repetitive tasks that other persons could do, like answering phone calls or responding emails. For example, this RPA technology is being already used in businesses like banks to automatically review mortgages, so they can see your credentials and automatically see if you're accountable for asking for a mortgage. Also, this robotic process automation can free human workers to focus on creativity and analytical decision-making tasks. For example, as I said before, with this technology, businesses can focus more on the creative process, and these all automatic tasks of responding emails and having all this information analyzed can be led up to the machines, while the people focus on making new ideas to make the because at the end of the day, machines, the only thing that they can do is create new things. They can only do with this technology they do repetitive tasks all and over again, or as I said before, they can't create anything new. So this type of creating is led to humans, and by this technology, humans can have more time to create rather than keep doing the same over and over again. This article appeals to a specific audience also, like business leaders, I think, or engineers that focus on process. This concerns closely with my research that I've been studying the real-safe data of Panamanian battery factories. That was supposed to be my article, but now I changed, so I'm not doing that anymore. For credibility, the authors have an academic and technical backgrounds in computer science systems, as I said before. Also, this article is peer-reviewed. And the reason I choose this article over others is because I think it connects technology and humans, and human systems. Some of the other sources I reviewed were like focuses more on the techniques of robotic process, or like too abstract to discuss. Um, these articles speak to engineers and managers in how automation will change the work and the industry. To end the presentation, I believe this article is highly relevant to our generation of industrial engineers. It also shows that we won't just optimize factories, we will optimize like digital workflows in the future, I think, and employee experiences. Um, it no, we will have to be able to control these new systems in order to create more and more efficient workflows. And thank you, Professor. Um, Thanks again for giving me this chance to do my presentation again. And have a good day.